How to get private server and steal a Brainrot in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar there and search for Steal a Brainrot game and then tap on the Experiences option and then tap on the Play option. Further, tap on the people like icon right beside the play icon there and you will see the option for create private server. Tap on that and then tap on the create private server option again. Make sure that in order to create a private server, you will need Robuxes. So ensure you have enough Robuxes in order to create a private server. And if not, then you can also go ahead and buy Robux and further create a private server. So this is how you can get private server in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.